Hello my beautiful queens, how are you all going out there? Today I want you to get ready with me for work. We're going to do a beautiful work wearable look. It's going to be, you're going to look so great if you follow my steps, guys. And you're going to just look so refreshed. I am barefaced at the moment, so you will see, you will absolutely love it. So if you want to get this look here, keep on watching, guys. Okay, so let's start. We don't have much time, right? Everyone is busy in this world. I'm seriously busy. I've got to get to work. So this is a really great video to make for those busy days for me and you. As you know, guys, my hair, if you watch my hair care routine, well, my hair bleached hair routine, there's not much I can do with it yet. It's still melding in the bondage repair kind of situation, so we're going to leave that for now. I will kind of just tie it up later and do something with it, but not at the moment. It's still drying. Okay, my queens, so let's start. I want to choose a foundation. I have so many favorites, but I wonder if I should use one of my really good go-to ones or try something new. I do have the new Mac Dewy Skin Tint. I am not a huge fan of skin tints, guys. They kind of, they're very thick, and you know, at my age, I'm 46, guys. I like something lighter. I like something reliable. I can't really trust skin tints, but I just got this in and I really want to check it out. I mean, it says it's illuminating. I know MAC is famous for its illuminators. Let's just give it a go. And oh, it's nice and thin. It is. Colour's perfect. They didn't have much colours to choose from. I'm putting on heaps. Don't know if that's a good idea, guys, but we will see. We will see. I'm going to use a sponge. I'm not going to use my fingers. I've used my fingers for skin tints before, guys, and I just don't like it. So let's go. What do you think? Not much coverage. Yeah, I like that. Is it going to hide my hyperpigmentation, guys? Don't make me have to put another foundation on top. This is my first time using it, honestly. Ooh. What do you reckon? Very glowy. Oh! It is way glowy. My gosh. You'll really have to bring this down with some powder, guys, seriously. Turn that bloody light down. But, yeah. Very glowy. My gosh. Maybe I've put on too much. I mean, I love my glow, guys. Don't get me wrong. It is, oh, I wonder how it wears. I hope it's not one of those, you know, ones that slip and slide around. The colour of the foundation's great. Wow, I'm not going to put in, I'm going to get rid of this on my wrist. That's just way too much. Wow. Okay. I like it. Those of you that do not like glow, you will not like it. Maybe if you didn't put as much on as I did. Coverage wise, I've got a lot of hyperpigmentation here. It hasn't covered it. It is a tint, guys. Okay, it's a tint. It is not a damn foundation, okay? So I'm just going to roll with it. I'm going to try and just powder it up a bit in the spots that are just really obvious, and it should work. But I will let you know in the description box how it wore. Definitely not much coverage at all. I can still see all my hyperpigmentation. Kind of emphasizes it, actually. My gosh! Why did I have to go and choose something I've never used before on a day that, you know, I'm filming? Well, I have to test these things out anyway. I have to let you guys know, you know. You guys got to know, okay? What do you think? Concealer, guys, yeah, I do use concealer on the daily. I am loving, where are you, Dominique? Where are you? My Dominique Cosmetics concealers, guys. They are amazing. Have you tried these? I was right into my Lawless, and still am, but I've just tried Dominique's ones, and I absolutely love her stuff, man. The concealer is just really, really nice. Really smoothing, really good for the under eyes, never cracks. Okay, got to put a bit of concealer up here. The only thing I'm not a big fan about of this Dominique concealer, guys, is the applicator. It's a steel one, and it's very hard to get the product on. I would have preferred a doe foot. I like to use a lighter concealer under my eyes, by the way. It's really nice, it's brightening. Let's see how it reacts with this MAC. Up against the nose, you might be thinking, my gosh, that is so bright. Don't worry. Looking a bit bright, but bright's good. Not too bright, obviously. I actually have some new products here which I want to show you guys, and they're from Girlactik. You don't hear too much about this brand. Amazing eyeshadow, cream eyeshadows, guys. That's how I first got into them. They're from France, I believe. Please don't come for me if they're not. Very, very beautiful products, and I have a few powders here, which is that one there, and it's very, very beautiful. I have a light one as well. What I like to do with my powders is actually have a light one because I like a bright under eye, and also a normal skin colour one for me. I also bought a couple of her, I think it's her blushes, which are really beautiful. Look at that one, guys. Really nice, really pretty. That's one. This is another one which is called Barcelona Duo. Very nice. It's beautiful pinky in here, and then a luminous kind of side. So if you're not into a glowy blush, guys, you won't like these. This is gorgeous. This one here, it's called Borabora. I'm going to wear that one today. I don't think you can see it very well on my camera, but I will insert something up here or there. They are gorgeous. This one has like a orangey goldy reflect in it. It's just really beautiful. I love that. Got my refer brush here, guys. I'm just going to dip into this lovely powder from Galactic. Now this one is the luminous face powder in light, and I don't know why they call it light because the other one's even lighter. Let's get that on. Oh no, luminous. Have I done the right thing? By the way, I'm using a blush brush too. Oh, how's it gonna, oh no, let's go my Charlotte. No, not putting up with that, no way. Okay guys, I've decided not to go with that Galactic powder. It is a bit luminous, so I'm just gonna go with my By Terry palette here, which I really love this one. So this is a really, really good palette for you guys to get. A bit pricey though, but you know. Let's get in here with this color here, and just let's get this shine down. So we're going to use the Girlactik palette now. This one here, it's very beautiful, guys. My camera lights are a bit strong, but it's very neutral. It's gorgeous. Really, really nice. We're going to quickly do a fast eye look. I'm just using a Morphe Jacqueline brush. I love these brushes. They're some of my favourite. So I'm just going to go into this one here, a nice neutral colour to start. Excuse me for that fucking plane up top. We're just going to go very easy eye look, guys. Put this in the crease. First time using this palette too. Oh, it feels really nice. Yeah, so when you do your eyeshadows, guys, you really want to pull the eyeshadow out this way. You don't want it coming down, okay? This is for my over 40s, and just kind of lift that eye up. Yeah, that looks really nice. Just that little crease. And this could also just be a one and done shadow look, which I'm going to do a very fast one today anyway. So the next one I'm going to go for, guys, is this one here. The NYX Darkest Matte. And we are just going, just use the same brush, and we're just going to put that all over the lid. Just tap it on. What beautiful shadows. They really are pigmented. Really nice. I love these. Very nice for daytime wear, work. Okay, so we're going to put on a little bit of a shimmer today. Nothing major, just a little bit of a sparkle. I like doing that. And we're going to go with this beautiful taupey kind of shade here. And I'm just going to use my finger today. Here comes Kitty again. Hello. Hello. He's always wondering what I'm doing. He can hear me. This is a bit of a dark shimmer. It looks nice though. It's not bad. Yeah, it's nice. I think this one would have been best applied with a brush actually. That will do. Now what I do like to do, guys, I like to always take the time to put some shadow under my bottom lash line. It really just like oomph the look up. Like this looks very, very boring at the moment. So you can really see the colour of the palette now properly. I'm going to run some of that dark one here under my lash line just to give myself a little bit of a oomph. And if you've gone down a bit far, you can just wipe it where you want to. I am not a fan of that MAC Strobe light, honestly. I'm looking at myself in my mirror. I mean, I look alright. I look alright, but too blooming glowy. And it's sticky as well. Let's get down some eyeliner. I'm just using Pat McGrath here. I love this one. Top and bottom, halfway on the bottom. Okay guys, so let's get on some bronzer now. I'm using this Girlactik one and it's Terracotta is the shade. And I like this one, it's really, really nice. It's kind of give yourself some cheekbones here. And I'm hoping that the bronzer will actually help take down some of the shine from the MAC Strobe light. I definitely don't need bloody highlight. Okay, time for that beautiful Girlactik. Let's try this Borabora blush, man. I can't wait. Even though it's glowy, it is very glowy. Am I making a mistake, guys? I just want to try it, you know. It looks so pretty. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Whoa! Oh, it's gorgeous though. It is beautiful. Really sheer it out. Oh my gosh. Oh, what a glowy blush. You've got to bring that down, honestly. Wow, what a glowy, super glowy blush, guys. That would look perfect on a normal foundation that I use. My loves are Dior, obviously the Hourglass. This blush would look really, really nice on that. Just not on this MAC Strobe light. My gosh, and I am still super, super glowy everywhere. Oh well. Okay guys, I'm going to go away now. I'm going to put on my eyebrows and some mascara and I'll come back to you. Mwah. Okay my queens, so I'm back. I've kind of put my hair up. Nothing major, just in a bit of a bun. I still need to wait for it to dry. So yeah, diffusers do not work on my curly hair, guys. Anyway, back to the face. I've done my eyebrows real fast, eyeliner, mascara. Let's put on some lippy, and I actually don't want to wear a lippy today, guys. I'll show you what I've been enjoying, and that's just a simple lip gloss, and I love this Vive one. What colour is it? It's just a glossy lip oil, and it's beautiful. Yeah, it's got like golden reflex in it. It's really, it's really nice. As if I need to be more golden, right? I like it. Huge doe foot applicator on this, guys. I mean, genius. Absolute genius. I got big lips. I love slathering my lips in this. You know, it doesn't last long. It really doesn't. It's just, you know, it's a lip oil / lip gloss. But it does last, you know, a couple of hours, I've noticed, if I wear it to work. No lip liner, nothing like that. I think we're looking amazing. Pretty good for work. What do you think? Very, very super glowy with this MAC Strobe light. Not its problem, it's my problem. I will keep trying to use it though, you know. Just don't put on too much next time, and yeah, I do actually like the, you know, the finish that it's given me. I mean, it has made me look very healthy. What do you think, guys? But yeah, still got to use this, okay? Still got to use this one. Don't know about it. I love these Galactic Blushes. My gosh. Oh, this Borabora one's beautiful. Can't wait to use the powders from Galactic, but not today when I've got that strobe light on, as they are still glowy as well. And the eyeshadow palette as well from Galactic is really, really nice. Really neutral. Pigmented as, really pigmented. Got some beautiful colours in there. Got to keep using that. That was my first time trying that today, and it was a very simple look. So I hope you enjoyed my look today, guys. Very fast, get ready with me for work. So glowy. We used some new products today. Tested out that Mac strobe light, but I think I actually do like it. When I look in my actual mirror here, it looks really, really nice. It still looks glowy, and here it looks very freaking glowy. But yeah, that was my quick get ready with me anyway, guys. So I hope you enjoyed it, and please like and subscribe to my channel, guys, if you enjoy my content. I'll have more excellent videos coming up for you soon. I can't wait. Take care, guys. Have a positive day. Keep everything positive. Keep it real, and don't let anyone get in your way. Mwah!